welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cover clean eating and how to eat a nutritional, healthy, clean diet. So my methods aren't accepted yet because people aren't quite as intelligent as I am, but they're getting there. And with my program, I can help them get there faster. Okay, so when most people say eat clean, what do they mean? Eat your greens, eat your chicken breast, lentils, tofu, etc. Keep it clean, no processed foods. But what would you use to clean something? Do you grab an apple, rub it on a bench to clean a stain? No. Do you grab a watermelon to try and get, grease off your hands after you've just changed your bike chain? Well, I know I don't. Okay? So why should it be any different for your diet? Okay, so my first meal of the day, I like to fast until about 1 p.m. And then my first meal of the day is a cup of Morning Fresh with water. Now, I do about 2 squirts, as I'll show you. And you want to get a spoon, and you want to mix it up. Fill it about 500 milliliters or so. And you want to add the lid, just like that. And, yeah. Sorry. And, yeah, as we were. And you want to shake it up just till it's all broken down and sooty, just like that. Okay, shake it, and it's good to drink. Nothing's gonna clean out your system like a cup of Morning Fresh washing detergent. What does it do? It washes. You got something dirty, you clean it, asshole. Oh man, I always feel fantastic after that drink. Really feel clean and mean. Like as clean as somebody can be. So yeah, try it out. I usually have about 3 servings a day. First meal 1 p.m., 3, 5. And yeah, try other things and let me know what you think. Yeah, so any criticism is definitely appreciated, but not accepted. So only give me positive feedback. Thank you. I just want to give you a bit of a macronutrient breakdown. So you want to make sure you're going for 2 squirts, 2 serving. I like the Morning Fresh Ultra Concentrate band. Now let me just turn this around and let's go through the macronutrients. Each serving contains about 495 kilojoules, i.e. about 150 calories per serving, and 23 grams of protein. Seriously clean. Not to mention the micronutrient table, which I'll show you over here. BCAA matrix, fermented L-leucine, fermented L-lysine, and various other things that just really help you become your best version. Pick up a bottle of Morning Fresh. You can usually get it from any Kohl's or Woolworth supply shop, and I believe some supplement shops are going to stock them soon. So yeah, you really want to clean out your system because really having a dirty system is going to lead to a dirty lifestyle, and you don't want to live a dirty lifestyle. That's my core value.